This is a box with the cheapest lawnmower cart on Amazon in it. So let's take it out, set it up, see if it's any good. Now up in one of the corners here, there's like one of those YouTube disclosures that says sponsored video or whatever, because Vevor gave me this thing for free to test. See, I'm a professional YouTuber, friends. I get free stuff. But I got tons of carts. I don't need another cart. So I'm going to take the tractor here and we're going to dump a couple loads of dirt directly into it. That should be, well, that's a 1/4 yard bucket. So 500, 600, 700 pounds of dirt. We're just going to dump on into it, see if this cart breaks, because they claim it's good for 1,200 pounds. Now, if it doesn't break and this thing's a worthwhile machine, I'll have a link to this thing in the description of the video and the comments and stuff. So if you want one, you can get one. It is, from what I saw, the cheapest lawnmower cart on Amazon. So let's put this thing together and try it out. Now there are some cheaper carts on Amazon, but this one, at least at this moment right now, is under 150 bucks, and you can pull it behind a lawnmower. So as opposed to being just a cart, it's a lawnmower cart thing. You can also use it like a regular cart. Now Vevor claims that this thing has a 1,200 pound capacity. Most other carts claim a 900 pound capacity. How do you test if this thing will actually take 1,200 pounds? I don't know. Because fitting 1,200 pounds into a tub like this, that might be a little difficult. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to locate the instructions in here and throw them away. Hey, look at this. They should give you like a stinking wrench. Can you believe that? That's kind of handy. There's 2 wrenches in here. Aha. There's the instruction manual. All right, this seems pretty straightforward, I guess. Let's just see if we can get this thing together. These seem like a decent tire. The wheels have bearings in them, so that's good. I've seen some of these where instead of having bearings in these wheels, it's just a plastic sleeve. So that's got an actual bearing in it. That's nice. It says max load 300 pounds at 30 psi. What's 3 times 4? That's 1,200. So I guess all 4 tires together will handle 1,200 pounds according to what that says. This thing seems pretty easy. I don't see how anything could go wrong. Just like I said, let's make sure we read these instructions so we know how to build this thing. Well, the first step here, you gotta have 18 hands to do. I'm pretty sure I just lost 2 of the nuts here. So this is working out really great. To start, I'm doing a good job. Everyone's gonna be real proud of me. Just can't be in a rush when you do this stuff. You know, it's really more about the journey than the destination. All right, so we got a rotating front wheel like your normal garden cart, and then you can flip this around and pin it to your lawnmower. Okay, and what do we got here? Little dumper. All right. Oh, let's try me first before we fill this thing with dirt. Okay. Yep, I fit. Oh, it's a good girl. Yes. You gonna try to get in? Come on, let's go. Jump in. Come on. Oh my goodness, you're so smart. Okay. Well, that's about 300 pounds. Let's try filling this thing with a big old tractor bucket full of dirt. What do you think? You want to try to fill this thing full of dirt? All right, get out. Good girl. Well, okay, I was kind of surprised. I thought this thing was going to collapse when I dumped the dirt on it, and it didn't. So, well, this was going to be a video we could all have a chuckle about. But, boy, I'm really pleasantly surprised here. This is like probably 600-700 pounds worth of dirt. And you can still move this cart around. It's tough. This is a lot of weight, but you can do it. You can turn the axle pretty easy with all that weight on it. Holy crap. Yeah, that's surprising. So I guess I'll go hook the mower to it and yank the mower around. The mower's not rated to pull this much weight, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'll pull it around with the mower and dump it, and I guess we'll have to start working today. I mean, do you think it'll collapse if I climb on top of this dirt? That would make it almost 1,000 pounds, right? Go. All right, it's still holding. Where's the dog? That would add some weight. Okay, I guess, whoa, hey, look out, baby. I guess I've got to review this thing now, since I didn't wreck it. Seems like a pretty decent cart. It's poly, right? So it's not going to rust out, but the sides are a little, I wouldn't call them flimsy, just they move. But this thing, I dumped 2 quarter-yard loads of dirt directly into it and it held up to it. That kind of shocked me. I like that you can convert it from a cart you pull behind a lawnmower to a cart you pull behind yourself. That's kind of cool. It's pretty easy to do it. And then pulling it behind a zero-turn mower, of course, a zero-turn can just flip around. Usually it jackknifes these carts, and we do have a cart that we bent all out of shape by doing that. Well, this thing, since it rotates here, those front wheels will rotate all the way under the cart, which is cool. So it doesn't actually jackknife when you do a really hard turn. So that is something that surprised me. Now that being said, this thing is nigh impossible to back up because the front end moves independently of the back end, and the mower's going one way and the cart's going another way, and just backing this thing up sucks. And you can't lock the front wheel caster thing in. It's just always moving free. So very maneuverable going forward, but going backwards with the mower, it's terrible. But moving it forward and backwards by hand, no big deal. So the wheels and tires held up under all that weight. It dumps pretty easy. I don't know if you really saw how the dumping action works, but basically grab the handle and dump it. And it basically cleans out all of the back of the cart when you dump it. It's not terrible. You know, I like that the back side of this is pretty much flat and not slanted. When they're really slanted, it just seems like anything you put in them just flies out the back while you're driving around, especially around here where we got hills. But when you dump it, you know, not having that real severe slant means some stuff, well, here you go, means some stuff kind of stays in the back, but oh, whatever. Oh, they got some stake holes here. I guess you could build up the sides of this thing. I don't know. Frankly, it seems like a pretty decent little mower cart. And being able to pull it behind yourself too is nice. I used to like my wagon when I was a kid. So there it is, the Vevor 1,200-pound yard or garden cart or mower cart or whatever you want to call it. I will have a link to this in the description of the video and the comments and all sorts of stuff. We'll see ya. Yeah. Oh, wow. Good job. Good job.